Hi all. Since Harvest 1.4.0, Harvest supports the creation of virtual machine betas or snapshots on a scheduled basis, with the option to retain a specific number of beta and snapshots. You can suspend resume and update the schedule at the runtime. So for create a new virtual machine schedule, first go to virtual machine schedule screen and then click create schedule. And you have to configure the following settings. First is the type. Select beta or snapshot. Beta is to beta the VM to a remote target, and snapshot is to take the snapshot of the VM locally. And the second is choose the source VM to have the beta or snapshot. And the next is the cron schedule. Specify the cron expression that defines the schedule properties. And the next is retain. Specify the number of up-to-date betas or snapshots to be retained. When this value is exceeded, the Harvest controller deletes the oldest betas or snapshots and long-haul start the snapshot purge under the hood, which will cause heavy I/O loading. And the last one is max failure. Specify the max number of consecutive failed betas or snapshot creation attempts to be allowed. When this value is exceeded, the Harvest controller will suspend the schedule. So let's create a snapshot schedule first. One thing to mention about the cron schedule. The beta or snapshot creation interval must be at least 1 hour, because frequent beta or snapshot deletion result in heavy I/O loading, especially when the number of snapshot or beta is more than the retained number. So for example, if I type the cron expression as to make the snapshot happen at every minute, it will be rejected because the granularity is only 1 minute, less than the required 1 hour. So if I change it to happen at the 30 minutes at every hour, it will be accepted. And then next, let's create a beta type schedule. Okay, so for every two schedule, if they have the same granularity level, each iteration timing of say must be at least 10 minutes. So if I type the same cron expression, it will be rejected because it have the offset is less than 10 minutes as the previous one. So even if I type as 35, it will be also rejected with the same message. Okay. Okay, so if I make sure the offset is more than 10 minutes, it will be accepted, even it have the same granularity. Okay, and then now we have two virtual machine schedule. We can check the status. Locate the target schedule and click the name. And in our basic tab, we can check if the settings are correct. And on the backup tabs, we can check the status of the backup snapshot that were created according to the schedule. And now we can see the backup is created and under progress. We can wait for it to complete. And then if we click the VM backup, it will lead to the VM machine backup page. Okay, so let's go back to we can check the progress of it. And then as it turns to a ready state, we can restore it as usual. Okay. And besides, we also can edit the existing virtual machine schedule. Locate the target schedule and click Edit Config. We can change the curl schedule, return number, max value at the runtime. For example, I can change it to happen at the second minutes of every hour. Okay. And we also can suspend or resume the virtual machine schedule at any time. If I suspend, there will be no new VM backup will be created, and I can resume it to mainly continue to have the new backups. One thing worth to mention is the schedule will be automatically suspended when the number of consecutive failed backup or snapshots exceeds the number of max value. And during the schedule is suspended, harvest does not allow you to resume a schedule for backup creation if the backup target is not reachable. Okay. So so above is the introduction for the virtual machine schedule. Please enjoy it. That's my introduction. Thank you.